But if we fall off of here, we're a goner. Let me tell you that.
God, I just inhaled it.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Blue Exodus. Today, I got the wife out here, and she wants to show you guys how she likes to restring a T-top. And I'll show you guys what we got and what we're working with, and stay tuned. Got my string, got some zip ties, got some cutters, and we got the black top. In the last video, forget who it was, but they said to tint the windshield, and I think that would look really good with a black top, so I might be stealing that idea. Let's get this thing up here and show you guys how we do it. What's the objective here?
To get it center.
All right, so we're gonna put all these, I don't know, probably 10 or 12 zip ties in it just to get it center. So everything's nice and tight. So when you pull your string, you can actually tighten it up a little bit more than the zip ties. So that's what we're doing right now.
We just need to tighten the other side up.
All right.
That way it's, because I kind of did the other side loose.
Got all the zip ties on it, as centered as we can get it. Now we're going to start putting some string on it.
So I just lined up the two ends, and we'll pull the line through to find center. Oh no. I got it.
Sweet.
Okay. Now we have a loop.
You gotta stand on the crusty leaning post.
Yeah. Oh, gross, it's all wet. All right, I got my loop, and I got my two ends down on the ground, and we're gonna go put the loop down, and you're gonna feed that through the loop and pull. He's pulling. There we go. And yeah, I did do it wrong. So I'll just feed this through because you want the loose ends to be up top. I should have fed it up, not down. Okay, so now I got my loose ends wrapped around the top. I'm gonna take one of the strings one direction and the other one the other direction. All right, I got one end, so I'm gonna go down, around, and then you go under the T-top, and then back up through that rivet and pull.
We'll do one more, and then we'll show you how it aligns with the top and kind of holds the T-top down the way she's wrapping it.
All right, we got a nice straight line. That one's loose because it'll tighten up when we do the other half. But I'll show you another view from here. So down, around the pipe, down, and then up. Pull, 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 pull. Woo! There we go.
Now we'll keep on going with this side. We'll give you a little time lapse of it. Let's go.
I think I'm gonna leave, that one's the center one. I'll probably leave it undone for now.
And tie it off up here.
Yeah, that way we can figure out where we wanna tie the two ends together.
All right, sounds good.
So we'll go ahead and start on the other side. Got that somewhat tight. Down, around, under the T-top, and back up. It's much easier to do from the side than underneath it.
And once we get everything somewhat lined up, we'll go back and kind of pull it a little tighter before we put our knot in it to hold it all there.
We're getting there. Getting better with practice too. It's been a while since I've did this. But we're getting it.
I'm not the only person that wants this boat gone. I'm getting a lot of flack over here about this boat, you know. We're running out of room and she wants it gone, so I gotta get it gone. She didn't want to admit it on camera though, so it's okay. She loves boats, I swear. Don't let her fool you.
I like to be on boats and enjoy the boats.
Well, this is all
Our
part.
boats.
This is all part of it, though. It's all part of it. It's looking pretty good.
We're cruising.
Oh yeah, after she did the other side, she's way quicker now.
Speaking of, I just messed myself up.
It'll be all right.
I'm getting too confident.
All right, we got the strings all the way around. We're gonna go through and tighten it a little bit, and then we'll be back in the front. We'll do like some clove style hitches here and maybe half hitches and get it all locked down. But I'm pretty happy with it. You happy with it over there?
Yeah.
All right.
This one, ugh, that one's hard. Yeah.
And what's cool is all you gotta do is just pull it a little bit and it automatically tightens up. Banjo tight.
All right, we went ahead and did the technique down, around, under, and back up in that last center hole, so both ends are going through there. And then he is just working on tying it off.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do like a clove hitch and try to lock it down with that, and then some half hitches on the clove hitch. So, like this, kind of hard.
Yeah, it's hard to keep it tight, but
We can, once we get it, I can get it all worked out here. I need to get the zip tie out of my way because that's where my knot's gonna go, and I can't be having that, so get out of there. So now I can kind of pull this and kind of dress it. And you just keep getting tighter and tighter. Kind of roll that knot. Keep going with it. All right, guys, so I just ended up doing 2 clove hitches here. And then I'm gonna tie a knot on these 2 so it cannot back through that clove hitch. If I can get my string here to cooperate. Kind of like walk the knot down to the bottom.
I should have done a shoestring knot.
It's all right. Get it all the way down there, keep walking it, walking it. Now this thing will not back out of that clove hitch at all. We'll cut this and we'll burn it so it won't. I'll probably leave a little tiny of a tag. She's banjo tight. And I might put a zip tie here or something, just to hold it back.
God, I just inhaled it.
Don't breathe it in.
I didn't mean to.
Golly.
I didn't think I was that close to it.
Stinky.
One here. Make sure you don't cut your cord. That'd be bad.
Yeah, that would be bad.
Okay.
Freshly strung.
Is she taut?
Oh, she's definitely tight. When it kind of sounds like a drum skin, that's kind of when it, you know, it's tight enough. Awesome, looks great. Thanks.
You know, I had to contribute something.
Yeah, she can't be complaining and not contribute. You know, we gotta have a little bit of, you know.
I can complain all I want.
Oh man.
All right.
What next?
I'm gonna get down from here.
It's a long way down. I don't know if you can tell how far that is to the ground, but if we fall off of here, we're a goner. All right, let me tell you that. Up.
Woo.
Boom, here she is, all nice and tight. Looks good. My little clove hitches don't look that bad. Let's go. One step closer.
We have shade now.
Yes, we do. We have shade. Now we can work in the shade. But she's been bugging me and wanting to do this video so bad all week, so we had to get out here and do it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and who knows what we're going to get into next. And thank you to all the subscribers, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace, guys.
Peace.